Let's get my transmission installed. Oh, shit. Gotta take my bumper off so we can get onto the tow truck, or else it wouldn't make it.
So you're YouTubing this, eh?
Yes, sir! Had to get the transmission in here all ghetto. Had to wedge it with a basketball to make sure it didn't hit my dash. Wedged it with a toolbox to make sure it didn't move from there. And I'm just praying it hasn't been slapping that shifter. We're gonna see. Okay, hold on. Motherfucker wiggling. Got my exhaust. There we go. Good looking, Papa. There we go. Oh, no. All right, so we made it off the tow truck in one piece. Here at my man X's house. About to get this thing cracking, man. Y'all might be hearing airplanes all day. It's Inglewood, so if you know, you know. I don't know how this thing made it in this cabin, but we made it. Well, we under here to show y'all some of the damage that my car took from being slammed. Look at this. This thing is done. And it's probably worse on the other side. Look at that. I had to tape it. They use hot glue. Shit, I done everything, man. These skirts are done for. But it's alright. We're gonna come back harder. The damage to these skirts is even worse on this side. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's an entire hole right here. It's crazy. And I know for a fact that this side is toe up. Got the little drift fix. Had to stitch it because this side was rubbing, making all kinds of noises. It's all bad, but we'll be all right. Got the Y pipe off. Oh, shit. I might have an extra one. These are back. I gotta check. Okay. Mine ain't no good. I don't know. That motherfucker gone. Oh, yeah. Told you I was low. Oh, it's low as hell, man. All right, so basically right now, I'm taking the Y pipe off. Next, I'm gonna take the drive shaft out and get this out the way, and then go move to the front and start working on those bell housing bolts. Then last will be this. Once I get the other jack under here, shit, we should be coming down. Cool, cool. Okay. I'll the harness, and I gotta go inside and I'll plug the shifter and everything. Yeah. Okay. Cool, cool. Like I said, man, I'm your assistant for the day, so anything you need me to do, just let me know. Got you.
Now while X is down there getting the trans out, I'm gonna be getting this internal slave out because if you remember from one of my previous videos, went ahead and upgraded to a Clutch Masters internal slave with stainless steel braided lines and all that. So right now, this thing gotta come off so the new one can go, or the other one can go on. Is the clutch gonna kind of hold it up?
Nah, well, it got like two little, it's like dowels on each side that it held in. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just lean it back, and I gotta get two more bolts out on the top.
Okay.
Then leave it on here, use that jack, and then wiggle it back, and then drop it.
Should drop. Okay. Let me know if at any point I'm in the way or anything.
All right.
So, question, man. With me putting this new thing in here, how long after it's installed do you recommend I wait before I start doing stupid shit?
Usually people, well, that trans, like, what is it, like, rebuilt, or?
He said it's a stock one, came off a 08 350Z.
You should be fine. Like, usually you shit like that, if you put like new clutch and new shit like that. But if I was you, just drive it for me, normal. Make sure you feel me, everything good. And then, like, before you start dogging in this shit.
So don't do a burnout right out of the driveway.
Now I was gonna do that, like, after a couple miles driving and shit. So, like, say you did burnout and you brake, I'm like, oh shit, like.
Yeah, that'd be terrible. I was just messing with you, bro. I would never do no disrespectful shit like that. Just burn out in your driveway.
Oh shit, you don't want driveway?
I'll take that. Cool. It's out. Oh yeah.
Go. Hold on. Go.
Drop now.
Yep.
You good. Clear. Come all the way down if you want.
See it. What you told me?
It's officially out. Yes, sir.
Now I got to carve a little bit more to get it from under here. Gonna put the transmission back in the position to put it in.
Yes, sir. Hey, is there any way to tell my clutch's life from here?
No, it don't look scarred up from like this little, like the metal shit don't look burnt up or black.
You think you could show it on camera from where you're at?
Go back to sleep, nigga.
Cool.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Watch this shit a little bit.
There we go.
There it is.
There we go.
Alright. A little bit more to go. It's pretty much there. It's just a little tiny ass space, but
The nuts
probably
gonna get that, right?
Yeah, probably gonna put that jack back into here so I can move, and then put the
Yep.
cross member on.
Here you go.
Here, look.
Yes, sir.
Like, I'll say give her like 10 minutes, she's gonna go sit down somewhere. Yoda, move! Go!
Yoda, come here.
What's happening, dog? Excuse me, girl. Gotta get right here. Put the shift boot back on because we're in. Girl, get back. My dog's gonna think you cheating. I'm cheating on them. See, big chillin'.
Hey! Hey!
Get your ass down.
What's wrong with you, cuz? What's up?
I should only had 3 bolts. Terrible. Hey, who saw the new Spider-Man movie? That's a Spider-Man blanket, by the way. Spoil it for everybody. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do that at all. People that do that kind of stuff are the worst kind of people. All right, man, so we just about done. New transmission in. What are some things that you should test or like look out for when you're on the road?
Shit like that, like as far as this, just make sure it's going into gear, it's not popping out of gear, nothing grinding, no leaks. Ain't no leaks on here, but just stuff like that. But other than that, minor transmission, you're not gonna really have no problem. All we gotta do, I have to get some fluid.
Yep.
Oh, fuck them. Whoever took the transmission out broke the boat off in there.
No.
It's just this little shit, but it's just like I've been sitting here fumbling, but the whole time it's just the shit already got a bolt in there, just broken off.
The inspection plate.
Yeah, this little plate.
That's weird.
They already got a bolt broken off in there.
What does that mean for me?
I can't put this back over to cover up the little, like the C inside your trans, because there ain't no other secondary hole for it.
Damn. Is that going to affect me much? I mean, you see, I do be going off track sometimes.
It shouldn't. It'd be, the chances are lower though. I ain't gonna lie. Some just jumping up in here and do some shit. Cause you got transmissions that they got no bottom end. Like it's just the top bolts around the top, and all this is open. You see torque converter, everything. So you'll be fine though.
Okay, cool. And as far as extracting that, you think maybe like just tap into it or something and then just screw it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, they make a set, don't they?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
finna
they
tell you
got
to get the little set.
Yeah, they make a set to
Extractor.
Pull it out.
Extraction set.
All right, cool. I'm gonna just hold on to that bolt till I get my hands on that. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
We back rolling, man. This thing shifts perfectly through all the gears so far. I still have yet to test it on the freeway at high speeds and full speeds and under full load. But for now, driving on the street, I'm loving it, man. We back.